Okay. So it is very important to go through this lecture and try to do this question. Okay, go through that lectures and try to understand why this transformation we used, and what are the transformation techniques. Okay, so if you have seen the video, basically I have discussed three type of uh, time transformation techniques. Okay, actually these are the most basic and most important time transformation techniques. Okay, so one is time shifting. Okay, time shifting. Okay, so we have two cases for time shifting. One is advanced shifting, another is delayed shifting. Delayed shift, advanced shift and delayed shift. And also we have learned about time reversing. Okay, and also we called it as time reflecting. Okay, time reflecting. Okay, and the other technique is time scale. Time scale. In time scaling also we have come across with two cases. Okay, okay, wait for a moment. Okay, madam, that is okay. Yeah, yeah, that is okay. Okay, so the other thing is time scaling. Okay, there we have come across with two cases. One is time expanding, and other is time what is it called, time shrinking or time compressing. Okay, time compressing. Time compressing. So we have studied three type of time transformation techniques. The first one is time shifting, second one is time reversing, and third one is time scaling. Okay, so I'm not going to explain it again. Okay, uh, so we will do actually now. I have uploaded all the required lectures. Okay, so my target is covered actually. Uh, so after the mid-review exam, we can start the LO3. Okay, LO3. That is Fourier analysis. Okay, Fourier analysis. So, next week or after week, we will try to do the mid-review exam, and we will try to start this Fourier analysis. Okay, most probably the next Wednesday. Okay, your mid-review exam will be held. Okay, next Wednesday means 13, no? 13th. Okay, so most probably your mid exam will be on 30th Wednesday. Okay. Okay. So is it okay for you this week? Next week? So I will give some question related with this time shifting and uh, signal classification. Okay. Okay. Now I will give about so we will do this example. Actually, only one example we have done in the tutorial. So we have to do some example, 2 or 3 example. Okay. So I will give you 15 minutes. Okay. 15 minutes. Can you try this example by yourself? Okay. Try. If it is, if you can't do this, it is okay. But try to do it with yourself. Then I will explain. Okay. Sometimes my mic is mute and unmute. I'm sorry for that. When I am speaking, if my mic is muted, please let me know. Okay. Otherwise, I will just talk in and you can't hear anything. Okay. So please be careful with it. Okay. So please try to do this. So I will give you 20 minutes. That means 40, 40, 50, 45 p.m. we will meet. Okay. So can you try this within 20 minutes? Okay. So this is time shifting actually. This is time shifting. Okay. So I think you should be able to do this one definitely. Okay. And I will also do the time reversal, x minus t. So this is time reversal. Okay. You should be able to do this thing also. Okay. This thing also you should be able to do. Okay. And I will put basic one x 2.3t. Okay. So try to do this one, and this one. Okay. So this is directly time shifting. This is time shifting. This is time reversal, and this is time scale. Okay. So try to do at least these 3 part, 1, 4 and 5. Okay. So these are combinations. Okay. So we have combined several techniques here. Okay. So you can leave this 2 and try to do this basic 3, this one and this one within 20 minutes. Okay. So if you need, you can go to my lecture, or I have uploaded the notes. Okay. I have uploaded the notes also to the LMS. You can refer the note, or you can refer my lecture. Oh, there are many lectures, I think, but for the time transformation, I think there are very low lectures actually. There are not much lectures. Okay. So anyway, I hope there may be good lectures in the YouTube. Okay. So anyway, you can refer them. Okay. So try to do this. Okay. So I think it will be effective. Okay. Otherwise, I'm just doing the things. Okay. So try to do this by yourself.
was able to work there physically only for 2 weeks, and rest of the 6 month internship period was held online.
Okay.
So what I did is the vendors go to different sites, and they call us to give the measurements data of the infra facilities. So when they give what's meant by classification. No idea what it is. Five S's have you ever studied?
Okay, can you hear me, guys? Can you hear me? Okay, thank you. Thank you, Ani. Okay, so anyway, have you tried this one? Have you tried to solve this 1, 2, 3 parts?
Camera, please. Yeah.
Oh, yes, very good. Okay, thank you. Okay, so we will try to do this. Okay, wait. Okay, actually, I am doing a Viva session with I'm doing a Viva session, industrial training Viva session. Okay, so I think actually I can see that. Okay, many student has a communication problem. Many student have communication problems. Okay, they can't communicate properly. Okay, they know the things, but they can't communicate. it with us. Okay, so that is very important when you are joining with the industry. Okay, so so still please give me a moment. Yes, Mr. Anta, yeah. Okay.
So this is we don't have a scope for this one, and just evaluate based on the diary.
Okay.
And you can raise some questions getting.
Yes. Okay, I think my mic is muted, no? Okay, okay. Anyway, we will start the question. Okay. Please wait some time. Okay, so I think I have software problem actually. Okay, anyway, I am telling you that you are now in the campus. Okay, so please try to improve your communication knowledge. Okay, so you can do it by communicating with me actually. If you talk me, that skills will be developed no automatically. Okay, you no need to get additional effort for that. Okay, so please make sure when you leave the campus, you should be filled with such skills. Okay, so that is very important for your life. Okay, so you can see that I also can't speak English very well. No? I am making very mistake. Okay, but I don't care. Okay, because we are not teaching English, or we are not doing English. Okay, we are engineers. Okay, so if we have the knowledge to communicate with other, that is enough. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we will go to the question. Okay, so you can see that we have given a signal. Okay, so this is a signal. Okay. Actually, you can see that signal means this is a graph. No, this is nothing but this is a graph. Okay, so this is y equal mx plus c type graph. Okay, so sorry, shit. Yeah. Okay, so so you can see that. Okay, see that this is the independent variable is t. Okay, time, and this is our signal xt. Okay, now time transformation means we are changing this time. What how can we explain? We are changing this time. What is we call time value actually. We are changing the time value. Okay, so I will tell you how to do is. Okay, so you can see that here we have given the xt. Okay, so we have given the xt. Now you want to find xt minus 5. You want to find xt minus 5. Okay, so the best thing is select any key point. Okay, any key point here. Okay, any key points, you can select any key point. Okay, okay, so I will use only this point and this point. Okay, now I am going to see what happened to this point. What happened to this point if I change the independent variable to this. Okay, so you can see that this is a function of t. This is a function of t, and in this case this is a function of t minus 5. Okay, but again we have to draw the signal with respect to t. Okay, that is the only thing you have to understand. Okay, so I think you know that. If you know that this is minus 5, minus means it is shifting this way, it is shifting this way, and it is shifted with 5 values. Okay, so here it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After it shift, this point will be shift here. Okay, and this point will be again shift with 5. Okay, so it will come to 10. Okay, so you will get this signal. Okay, you will get this signal. Okay, you can so you can directly do it. If you see the tutorial, we have done this. If you see the lectures, we have done this. Okay, so it is shifting by 5 to this way. Okay, if you keep remember this, it is okay. Okay, you can do this. Okay, if you keep remembering this, you can do this in this way, so you will get the full marks. Okay, so it is very simple. What you have to do is shift these 2 points by 5 to this way. Okay, and if it is plus 5, the which side the graph will be shifted? Can anyone tell? To which side the graph will be shifted if it is t plus 5, x t plus 5? Can anyone tell? Left side, yes, thank you. Okay, so it will shift to this side. Okay, if it shift to this side. Okay, so here this 0 point will shift to 5 by this side, so it will end up in minus 5 because shifted to this way by 5. Okay, and this point will shift to 5, that means it is ended up with 0, so you will get this kind of signal after shifting. Okay, so this way you can shift to right or left. Okay, but it is better to it is better to study the other method also. This is the direct method, graphical method. You can use this. Okay, but sometime when you are combine these two techniques or three techniques, this will be sometime confused. Okay, this will be sometime lead to confusion. Okay, so it is better to have that general idea. Okay, so what you have to do is, as usual, we will select 2 point. I will select this 0 and 5 point. Okay, okay, so you can see that. So I hello, Mr. Sandha. uh, yeah, I hope we, yeah, yeah. ඔව් ඔව් ඒ ඇඩ්වයිස් එක හරියටම හරි ඇත්තටම. Sorry for the disturbance. Okay, so I will select this point, 0 point. Okay, So here you have, so here uh, you can see that when t is equal to 0, I am talking about this graph, okay? T is equal to 0, xt is 0, xt is 0, okay? Now xt is 0, at xt is 0, that point we have to check how much shift, okay? So what you have to do is, I have explained this in the tutorial, in the lecture, so I'm not going to explain it again, okay? So what you have to directly do is equal this t minus 5 to 0, this point, this is 0 point now, so equal this to 0, okay? Then you get 5 as t value, okay? So that is the new value for this point, okay? That is the new value for this point. That means this point now it is in 0, and after applying the transformation, this new point will be shift to 0.5, okay? So new point is here, correct? Okay, and if you consider this point is 5, okay, what you have to do is you have to just simply equal t minus 5 to 5, this terms to this value, okay, and check what is the value for t. So you will get 10. Hello.
Yeah, Amartunga.
Okay, okay, so t is 10, so here this point we have shifted, okay, we have shifted, okay, so this is the answer, okay. So it's t minus 5, so you can see that the new point, this 5 has shifted to here, this point have shifted to here, okay, correct, okay. So okay, so I hope you get it, okay. If you please, if you can't get it, please go through the lecture again, then I hope you can get it very clearly, okay. Then okay, we will do this one, okay. Okay, I will get this one, okay. So now we are going to find x minus t, okay, x minus t. So here you are given xt, okay. In the same way, you can consider this point and this point, okay. And if you consider this 0 point, okay. So can you tell me what is the new value for this 0 point? What is the new value? If you apply minus t, what is the new value? What you have to do is you have to equal these terms to 0, okay, and you can get the new value for t. And what is that value? Please feedback, please feedback. uh, no, no, Anik. Ah, yeah, 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 yeah. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, Dr. Kapila, can you continue, please? Dr. Kapila, can you start? Can you start the questioning?
Yes, okay, yeah. Okay. So this is Amartunga, right? So can you like please tell what are the like basic things you did there?
No, no, it is somewhat wrong, but up to some level it is okay. Okay. So anyway, thank you for your Thanks for your feedback. Okay, I am very glad. Okay, anyway, you can see that I am not going to measure your mathematical knowledge. Okay, so if you are done something by yourself, I will give you the marks. Okay, that is very important. Okay, so when you are doing the exam, don't copy and don't show your papers to anyone. Okay, then you will get rid of marks. Okay, and if you doing something by yourself and I can feel that you have idea about that, I can give you the full marks. Okay, so you can see that. So anyway, up to some level your answer is okay, but it is not complete. Okay, okay, so we will see. Okay, so okay, we will see.
Okay, so you got measurements of that, right?
So here, so I means this 0. Okay, so this point, what we have to do, we can directly equal this 0 to minus t. So here we have these terms. Okay, so minus t is equal to 0 and t will be equal to 0. Correct? Okay, so for this 0, the new point also will be 0. I will mark the new point with blue. It will also 0. And if you consider 5, okay, if you consider this 5, and what is the new point for this 5? What you have to do is you have to equal minus t to 5. Then you can evaluate the 5. What is the value? Can anyone feedback? What is the new value for this point? What is the new value for this point? It is just a equation you have to solve. Very simple. Please, someone feedback. What is the new value for this 5? Can you hear me? I'm not muted, no? Yeah. Yeah. No. No. What is the new value? Okay, anyway, thanks for your answers. Okay, I'm very glad. Okay. So, anyhow, if you are giving some answer, that is okay. Maybe answer may be wrong. Okay. That is okay. So you can see that. So now this is our point 5. Okay, this is our point 5. Now we have to find the new point. To find the new point, we can just equal this minus t to 5. Okay, so t will be minus 5. Okay, so for this point, okay, new point will be minus 5 here, minus 5. So the signal will look like this. Huh? Okay, like this. Okay, did you get it? Please tell me, did you get it or not? Yes, thank you. Okay, so what we doing? Okay, so we will have some statement here. Okay, we will have some statement here. Okay, for the time transformation. Okay, and we have the graph. Okay, so what we simply do is we select some key point. Okay, so this key point should be after finding this key point, we should be able to estimate the graph. That is the only requirement for selecting the points. Okay, so here I can use this point and this point. Okay, if I find this point and this point, we can just draw the signal very well, no issue. Okay, so I am going to find what happened to this point and this point. What happened to this point and this point. Okay, so to evaluate that, what we have to do is, so we have to equal these terms, whatever these terms is equal to this point. Here it is 0. Okay, so our terms is minus t, so I equal minus t to 0. Then I find the new t, it is 0. Okay, I get it. Okay, then then I then I want to find this point also. After transformation, I need to know what happened to this point. Okay, I need to know what happened to this point. Okay, so this is the term. Okay, this is the term. So what we have to do is, whatever the terms in the time transformation, that is minus t, should be equal to this value 5 here. So I just equal is to 5. So I get t is equal to minus 5. Correct? Okay. So so that is how we evaluate the signal. Okay. So can you see what is? Can you see any special here? What are the things you can observe here? Please tell me. What are the things you can observe here? මොනවද ඔකටට පේන්නේ මේකේ? Yeah, Dr. Kapila. Yeah, I think okay, thank you for the feedback. Okay, I have muted the mic again. No? Okay, so okay, your answer is correct. It is time reversal. Okay, it is time reversal. And can you observe anything else here? What you have get here? So consider this xt. This is y-axis. No, this is y-axis. No, this is y-axis. Okay, and if you consider this y-axis as a mirror, if you consider this y-axis as a mirror, what is this actually? What we get here? If this is a mirror, what is this? This is the reflection image, no? This is a reflection image. This is the reflection image. Pratibimbe, no? This is the reflection image. Okay. So actually time reversal will give us the reflection image. Okay. So if you have given a time reversal, you no need to go through this. Okay. You can directly get the reflection around y-axis. Okay. So what if you have given this type of signal? 0 to 5. What is x minus t will look like? This is xt with respect to t, and it is just like this. Okay, and what is x minus t will look like? So if you consider this as a mirror, okay, this y-axis as a mirror. Okay, so that is the reflection. Reflection will give you the x minus t. Okay, so it will look like this. This is our time transformated signal. It will look like this. So we get the reflection of this one. Okay, actually we have done this when we are evaluating the odd and even function. Also we have to use this time reversal techniques. Okay, okay, so it is like this. Okay, okay, now we will move to our okay, I hope you get it. Okay, so we will go to the next one. Okay, so if you have any question, you can stop me and ask. Okay, anytime you can stop me and ask. Okay, okay, so okay, we will do the next one. So we will have to evaluate this one. No? Now we have evaluate this one. I hope you get the idea about this one. I hope you will get it. You can do this. Okay, and this one also we will do. So this is time shifting, and this is time reversal. So this will be time scaling. Okay, so we will see what happens. Okay, so I will get the new page, get the new page. Okay, and we will have the signal again. Okay, and you have to find x 2 by 3t. Okay, in the same manner, what you have to do is you can choose this 2 point. Okay, you can find this 2 point. Okay, and this is 0 and this is 5. Okay, okay, so what you have to do is you have to find the new value for this 0 and for this 5. Okay, okay, so can you do this? Can you do this? So what you have to do is whatever the terms here should be equal to this one, and then you should be equal to this one. So tell me what is the new position for 0? This one. What is the new position for 0? Tell me. Try to do. If it is wrong, it is okay. Okay, please try to do it with me. Okay, try to do this with me. Can you tell me the answer for this, please? Okay, Mr. Santa, thank you. Yes. Yes, that is compressing. Yeah, okay, it is time compressing actually. Yes, Mr. Santa. Oh, ne. Marginally hari dila goda damu. Yeah, it is compressing. Okay, exactly, it is compressing. So what is the new value for this zero? Can anyone tell? So what you have to do? What you have to do is whatever the terms here, you have to equal to zero. You have to equal to zero. Okay, and you have to find the new t value. So what is this term? It is, so can you tell me what is the t value for this zero? Please try. Okay, please try. So whatever this terms here, so this term is 2 by 3t. Okay, and what you have to do is you have to simply equal these terms to this new point 0. Okay, then you will get t as 0, no? If you multiply 0 by 3 and divided by 2, you will get again 0. Okay, so this point will be at 0 itself. It is not changing. Okay, and what will happen to this 5? If you consider this point, okay, if you consider this point, what you have to do is you have to simply equal this term 2 by 3t is to 5. Okay, then you can find the t value here. What is the t value here? Can anyone tell what is the t value here? Yeah, 7.5 maybe. Okay, so it is 15 divided by 2. Yeah, it is 7.5. Okay, so actually in this case it is not compressing, no, it is expanding. It is not compressing. Okay, yes, expanding, exactly. It is expanding, no? Okay, so what happened? Now this 5 will move to 7.5. This 5 will move to 7.5. Now our new signal will look like this. What happened? It is expanding. It is expanded to this shape. It is expanding. Okay, so we can find the value here. Okay, so we will try to solve another one. Okay, okay, so can you find what is the other question? So we have done this 3 and x minus t plus 5. Can you find x minus t plus 5? Okay, try to find this. Okay, try to find this. I hope you should be able to do this. Okay, you no need to do anything. You have to equal these terms to whatever the points you selected. Okay, I selected 2.0 and 5, and you have to find the new value for this 0 and for this 5 by equaling that value, by equating that value to this term minus t plus 5. Okay, so find the new t value for this and find the new t value for this. Please take 5 minutes and try to do this. Okay, tell me this first value and tell me this second value. So I think only three students are there. So please try to do this. So this kind of question will come to exam. Okay, so if you have any question, you can ask actually. If you can't do this, you can ask me again. What is your matter? You can tell me what is your matter. What is the what step you can't do? Okay, So maybe you can't solve this equation. Minus t plus 5 is equal to something. Sometimes you may not be able to solve this equation. Okay. Sometimes this may be another problem. Okay. So anyhow, if it is a problem, you can tell me. Okay. And three of you asked theirs, Anik and Afras. So I think you have to fill one feedback form in uh, LMS. Okay. So can you ask your friend to do that, because it is mandatory for you also. Okay. So can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So you have to go to the LMS. Okay. This is our subject, no, signal and system one. Okay. So here you have this one. No, no. Yeah, it's something called mid-semester feedback or something. Mm, I think it is deleted, no? Ah, yeah, this one. Mid-semester student feedback. Okay. Can you fill this, please? Please visit. I can't see any form. Okay. I can't see any form. Uh, please visit your LMS page also. See whether you can see any form. Okay. And if the form is available, please fill it. Okay. Okay. I think I have got some answers. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay. See. Let's see what happened. Okay. If the answers are wrong, don't worry. Okay. That is normal. Okay. So so I choose this point and this point, this 0 point and this 5 point. Okay. 0 and 5. Okay. So i I'm going to first see what happened to this 0 point. Okay. So what should I do? I just equate this minus t plus 5, this term, to 0. Then I will turn the 5 here. So I will get minus 5. Okay. And minus t. So t is equal to 5. Okay. T is equal to 5. So anyway, if you have any problem to solve this kind of equation, okay, maybe after O level, I know that after O level, you are not doing mathematics works, no? Okay. So it is natural. If you can't remember the things, it is natural. Okay. If I also uh, do not do a work, okay, do not do a work for long time, then I also can't remember the things. Okay. Actually, sometime uh, I also see the note again. Okay. So this subject, this same things I have teach for your previous brothers and sisters. Okay. Previous batch. Okay. And but when I uh, coming to teach you, I again refer this note. Okay. Because I also um, uh, forget forget some stuff. Okay. So that is natural. Okay. So it is not a it is not a issue actually. That is our natural way. Okay, so don't worry. If you have any problem, you can ask. Then I can try to find the solution. Okay, okay. Anyway, I'm not going to evaluate mm, this skills. Okay, this is a mathematics knowledge, no mathematical knowledge, no. I don't need mathematical knowledge. I need the signal and system knowledge. So I'm not going to give marks to this kind of mistake. If you mistake this value, finding value, I am okay with it. I will give the full marks. Okay, but I need the procedure. I need the correct procedure. That is the only thing I want. Okay, so you can see that t is equal to 5. Okay, t is equal to 5. Okay, then I want to check what happened to this 5. Okay, I want to check what happened to this 5. Okay, so minus t plus 5, I will equate to plus 5. Okay, so you can see that 5 minus 5 you will 0, then t is equal to 0. I think your answers are correct. No, it is 5 and 0. Okay, so your answers are correct. Okay, uh, sometime some student has given 0 and 5, no, so this will be wrong. Okay, if it is 5 and 5 0, it is okay. Okay, am I right? Maybe I am doing any mistake. Okay, if I am doing any mistake, please let me know. Okay, maybe this answer may be correct and this answer may be wrong if I have done any mistake. Okay, so if you see any mistake, please let me know. Okay, then I can correct it. Okay, so now I am going to draw the signal. Okay, so here we have 0. Now 0 at 5. Okay, now 0 at 5. So this point is here now. Okay, and what happened to this point? It is 5. Okay, 5. That point is as 0. Now that point is as here 0. Now this point will move to this point. Okay, so we will get our signal, the transform signal, as this. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so uh, so please consider this one again. Okay, I will tell. Okay, so you can see that if you see this transformation, you can see that it is first time reflecting. Okay, it is first time reflecting and then time shifter. Okay, and then time shifter. So if I draw it, okay, so this is our original signal. Okay, and if I consider this time reflection part, I will get this kind of signal. No? What 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 should I do to get the time reflection signal? I just consider this y-axis as the mirror and get the mirror image. Okay, okay. So I get the mirror image. I got the mirror image. Okay, so here it is. Okay, now it is plus 5. Okay, plus 5. Plus 5 means normally it is should be shifted to this way. No, we have learned it. If p minus 5, it is shifted to this way, and if p plus 5, it is shifted to this way. But you can see that this is this is not shifted to this way. Instead, it is shifted to this way. Why is that? It is shifted to this way by 5 actually. Then this 0 will be at 5 and this minus 5 will be at 0. So you will get this kind of graph. Okay, this is what we exactly get here. No? Understand? This signal we get here. Okay, so you can see that in this case, this is not shifted to this side, but is shifted to this side. What is the reason? Can anyone tell? This is very important observation. Okay, so can anyone tell? Yes, very good. Yes, thank you. Okay. Uh, Thank you very much, Ani. Okay. It is because the T is minus here. Because we have done, first we reflect the signal. So now the reflection is shifting. Okay. So if we shift this one to this way, okay, this way, reflection also will shift to this way, no? Okay. But we need to shift the reflection this way. Actually. Okay. Okay. So can you understand? Okay. If we shifted the reflection this way, it is shifted to this way. Okay. But if we reflect, if we shifted this to this way, it is shifting this way. Reflecting is shifting this way. Okay. Now reflecting is shifting this way. Correct? Yes, that is the issue. So you can remember, you can keep remember, if we first do the time transformation, okay, if the plus is there, it is shifted to this way. If the minus is there, it is shifted to this way. But if t is plus, okay, if it is t minus 5, it is shifted to this way, and t plus 5, it is shifted to this way. So this thing you can keep remember. Then you no need to go through this step, and you can directly write, you can directly do the signal. Okay. Okay, so let's quickly do the last one. Okay, this one. Okay, so let's quickly do this one. What is this? 2.3t plus 3. Okay, so what you have to find here? You have to find x 2.33 plus 3. Please try to find this. What you have to do is you have to select this 0, and you have to select this 5, and you have to check what is the new t for this 0 and what is the new t for this 5. Please get 5 minutes and try to uh, try to solve the answer. Okay, then I will quickly do it within 10 minutes. Okay, please try to get 5 or 7 minutes. So 4:45 until 4:45, try to solve this. Please try by yourself. Okay, if you need to know what to do, you can ask me. Okay, no problem, I can tell you again. Yes, let's wait another 3 minutes. Okay, I got some answers. Okay, different answers. Okay. Um, so we will try to do this. Okay. Anyway, thank you for your answers. Okay. So what we have to do? Okay. So we have here 0 point, and here we have 5 point. Okay, 0.5. Okay, this point and this point. Okay. Now I am going to see what happened to this 0 point after applying this kind transformation. Okay. For that one, I just equal these terms to 0. Okay. If you comes to this same level, that is enough. That is okay. You will get the full mark. Okay. And if you are doing any mistake when going to simplify this, I don't care. Okay. That is okay. Okay. So see, here it is 2 by 3t plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is actually a simple equation. So we have to find the t here. Okay. To find the t, we have to keep these terms here, and we have to put these terms to other side. Okay. So when we put this term to other side, this my marks, this plus marks will be changed. It will change to -3. Okay. So in A level, I think you have learned that you add -3 to this side, you add -3 to this side, and also you add -3 to this side. So 3 minus 3, you will get 0, and 0 minus 3, you will get -3. Okay. So you have 2t, 3 is equal to -3. Okay. This is minus. Okay. Now t is equal to, so you have to find this one. Okay. So you have to get rid of these terms. Okay. So first you multiply both side by 3. Okay. Then this side will be cancelled. Then you will get 2t is equal to -9. Okay. Then to find t, you can divide both terms. Then this t and t cancel out. you will get t is equal to minus 4.5. Correct? Okay. I can see that one student has given this answer. Okay. Anyway, others are also okay. Okay. That is no problem. So what happened? Now our 0 point will be moved to minus 4.5. Okay. That means it is up here somewhere. So here it is 0 and here also it is 0. Okay. And we will see what happened to this point, this 5. Okay. So what we have to do is I have to equate this term to 3 by t plus 3 to 5. Okay. So in the same manner, I want to get rid of this term first. So I add minus 3 here. Also I add minus 3 here. Okay. So I get 2, 3t is equal to 5 minus 3, that is 2. Okay. So I want to get rid of this term. So I multiply this by 3 and this by 3. Then 3 cancel out. I will get 2t is equal to 6. Okay. Then to get rid of this part, I just divided it by 2. Then this one cancel out. And this 6 also should be divided by 2. Then t, I will get 3. So this is the value for 3 for this point. You can see that this point is shifted to here. Here. Now this point is here. It is equal to 4. Okay. Now our signal is look like this. What happened? Okay. What happened? It is 3. That means it is shifted to this way. It is shifted to this way. Okay. And it is 2 by 3. That means it is expanded. It is shifted here and it is expanded. Okay. So we will get expanding. Now here it is 0 to 5, only 5 units. Now minus 4, 5 to 3. That means you have 7.5 length. This length is 7.5. That means it is expanded. It is expanded. Did you get this? Okay, thank you. And I think, yes, some answers are correct and some answers are wrong. Anyway, it is okay. If you write up to this level, I can give you the full marks. Okay. So whatever the mistake you have done here, when you are going to solve this equation, I don't care. Okay. Because this skills will evaluate your in your mathematical subject. Okay. So yeah, thank you. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So before winding up, do you have any question? I hope if you are given any signal with any terms, now you know what to do, no? Now you know what to do. Okay, you know the procedure. So that is enough, okay? So if you have any question, you can ask, okay? Otherwise, we can wind up, okay? So with the previous section, do you have any problem? Before winding up, do you have any question? Actually, this is very important. This is very important lesson. Okay. So in many practical usage also we are using this time transformation techniques. Okay. I will show you one example. Okay. Uh, so if you see, there is an antenna called phase array antenna. Okay, phase array. Yeah, this one. Okay. Okay. See, this is see here you have many antennas. These are antennas, transmitting antennas. Okay. So say our user is in this direction. Here we have our users. Okay. So if we transmit the antenna, so please check one antenna propagation. You can see the transmission is in this direction. No? Transmission is in this direction. So every antenna will transmit in this direction. So if the user is there, he will get the maximum benefit. Okay. But now if the user is in this direction, okay, if all these transmit in this direction, so this user may not get the full power length, strength, signals. Okay. So this is one technique. Okay. One technique to steer the beam towards special users, specific users. Okay. We call this beam forming. Okay. So how can we apply our time transformation here? Can you observe? Can you observe? So you can see that this antenna first transmit the signal. Okay. Then this antenna will transmit the signal, same signal. Okay. Then after some delay, this antenna will shift the will transmit the signal. You can see. Okay. So if this antenna signal is xt, okay. So within after few delay, this antenna will be transmit. Okay. So it will be x t minus delta. Okay. So you can see that. Okay. So let's consider this first antenna. Let's say the signal is xt and its signal is look like this. Let's say it is look like this. Okay. So this is the signal transmitted from this antenna. Okay. So you can say that there is a little delay. No? So this is the first antenna. In second antenna, there is a little delay. T delta T 1. Okay. That means it is shifted to this way. No? Now it is shifting like this. Okay. This is the second transmitted signal. Okay. It has a delay. Okay. Then this one has again another delay. Okay. So likewise, you can see that all transmitted signals are somewhat after time delay, we transmit the signal. Okay. So this is directly related with time shifting. No? Time shifting. Okay. So in signal processing, in real world application, also we are using this time transformation techniques. Okay. And also for analytical purpose, we are using this time transformation techniques. Okay. Okay, let's wind up then. If you don't have any question, can we wind up? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, actually, most of, yeah, sure. Yeah, mid-semester exam, you will come. Okay. Okay, I will stop the recording here. Okay. I will stop the